Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. In today's video, I am sharing a super simple and budget friendly DIY that anyone can make at home. I have used empty sweet box and brown paper to create something beautiful and useful. Before starting the video, welcome to the channel. If you like my ideas and DIYs, please do like and subscribe my channel. As we enter the home in my living area, you can see this key holder where we hang all our keys as per the necessity. I really like its unique key shape design, but whenever we hang all the keys on it, it looks so cluttered and messy. So I started thinking how I can keep the keys easily accessible while hiding all this clutter. I'll be giving this key holder a simple DIY makeover. First, let me remove this key holder from its place. For this, I am using a sturdy sweet box with a beautiful print showcasing the culture of Karnataka. The design is so attractive that I decided to keep the outside exactly as it is. Since the box is strong and durable, it's perfect for this project. To give it a neat and finished look, I am applying wallpaper from inside. It is very easy to stick and instantly makes the box look cleaner and more elegant. Instead of wallpaper, we can choose any other printed paper or even the decoupage paper. I had this wooden textured wallpaper from my previous project, so I am using this. Next, I am placing this key holder inside the box and carefully marking the holes on the cardboard. This helps me position it correctly before fixing everything in place. Now it's time to screw the key holder back onto the wall with the box covering it. The keys stay inside the box so they are easy to access, but the visual clutter is completely hidden. And that's it, a super simple budget friendly DIY that transforms an everyday item into something practical and beautiful. It's a great best out of waste project that helps keep your entryway looking neat and organized. I love how this simple DIY instantly reduces visual clutter without spending money on expensive organizers. It is an easy best out of waste project that not only recycles an old sweet box but also makes the entrance look more organized and welcoming. Small changes like these can make a big difference in how a home feels. You don't always need to buy new storage solutions. Sometimes the best ideas come from reusing things you already have. I hope this DIY inspires you to try something similar in your own home. I hope you enjoyed this idea and found it useful. Let's move to the second DIY. This is one of my old DIY project where I created this beautiful sunburst mirror using cardboard and small mirrors. I absolutely loved it and it has been a part of my home decor for quite some time. But now I felt it is the time to give it a fresh new look. I decided to revamp this existing mirror and give it a complete different style. As you can see, I have removed all the small wooden sticks and mirrors that were attached to the frame. Now I have a plain base to work with it. I am not removing the cardboard because it is still strong, sturdy and provides excellent support for the mirror. And for the makeover, I am using this old newspaper. I am simply rolling the newspaper strips and sticking them around the edges of this cardboard. It helps to create a beautiful raised border. Instead, you can use brown paper or aluminum foil. So once the newspaper is stick, I'll just allow it to dry. Now I want to make the base very strong. So here I am using this brown paper. Tear the brown paper into pieces. Then dip it in the mixture of Fevicol and water. And now simply start sticking it to the borders of the mirror. Instead of brown paper, you can use tissue paper or masking tape. Once you cover the border, just allow it to dry completely. When it dries completely, it becomes so hard. So our base is ready. And now to create some texture on this, I am using wall putty. You can use any brand wall putty which is available nearby your hardware shop. So I'll make a paste of wall putty adding little water and Fevicol. Initially I thought I will make a dough and then I will apply it on the border of this mirror. But it will be also easier if you do a thick paste and apply it on this. I'll be using a palette knife to apply this paste evenly all around the border. Let me cover the whole edges with this wall putty. So once I have applied it all over the border, I am just cleaning it with my finger. I'll just make the surface little bit even wherever it is required. To complete this DIY, my daughter helped me a lot, as this mirror is going to be a decor piece in her room. I just kept it to dry for 24 hours, and the next day once it is completely dry, I have sanded it. Then I have applied this wall putty paste, which is available in the hardware shop, to get the smooth finishing. Once the base coat is dry, you have to apply a coat of white acrylic color. Now finally, let me clean the mirror. I absolutely love how it turned out. From an old sunburst mirror to this elegant new design, the transformation is amazing. I love how this simple makeover has given new look to an old DIY without spending much money. I always enjoy reusing and upgrading my old DIYs because it saves money, reduces waste, and it also gives your home a new fresh look. Now let's place it and see how it looks on the wall. To hang it, I have used self-adhesive hook. And here comes the final reveal. I hope you enjoyed watching this transformation and that it inspires you to revamp your old home decor instead of throwing it away. If you loved this idea, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.